Okay, well, I changed my mind a little bit for a couple of reasons. One, I think I mentioned, I can see some discoloration on the plug wires. It's like exhaust stains. These wires haven't been on here for too long. Actually, I don't know. Yeah, okay, so 49,000 miles, about almost 6.5 years. So it's possible there's an issue with those. And the other thing that really did it is that I went and found the receipt, and these were lifetime warranty, so they'll be free instead of the 40 bucks that they normally cost. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. No money lost, just some time. Hopefully I can get those little clampy deals off the plug wires, because that's where I was having the troubles. Alright, boot greased. I put anti-seize on those plug wires, so they should come right off. So I'm going to try that first, and if that doesn't work, then I'll go back to my plan of taking it in and having it looked at. Okay, so here's a setup I'm going to use. These are the new plug wires, coil wire. They give you all these nice, cool little wire loom clamp thingy and this little piece of insulating stuff. I forget what you call that stuff now for some reason, wire thingy. And considering that the wires are in there are the same Duralast gold wires, I should be able to take one wire off at a time, match it up. As you can see, there's 2 of each length, and get it right the first time. So that's what I'm gonna do. I've got my intake covered, my throttle body, so let me get at it. And since this is the most difficult thing I've had to do so far, I'm using a pair of needle nose to grab basically up in here and squeeze, because you'll see that pops down inside there. Finally got that open, so I'll do them one at a time as they go. And they're through another one down here. I gotta figure that one out too. Okay, the other one's upside down, but you can see that this is the same kind of deal. Pushes in there, you got to get behind that and push down to get this tab out, and then you pry it out and it pops out of the bottom. The other one you got to go upside down. There's another one. You do the same thing on this one. You have to get up under here, push that sucker and pop it out. It's upside down. I'm sure there's another one on this side too then. Is there? Nope, only that one. Nope, there's another one down there. I'm running out of light. Get those clamps open first. Yeah, I don't know if you can see this or not, but you put a little grease, that plug boot grease on something like that, and I'm putting it around inside there, and don't forget the other side, a little bit around in there. That should keep them from seizing up when you put them on. Okay, morning after. I actually did a run out last night in the dark. Not happy. Starts good, all right. So new plug wires, new plugs, new cap and rotor. Nice and tuned up. Almost can hear it in there too.